Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm doing 8K goodness on the Galaxy Z Fold4. What y'all think about it? How does it look? How does it sound? Check out baby girl. Damn, she looks good. But this is 8K at 24 frames per second on the Galaxy Z Fold4. Just walking around my famous college now. Yes, their people are still in school. A little shocking, but look at the colors. Man, this looks crisp. But I won't make the video too long because I know it can get really long and the files are humongous. And if you move around too much, it gets a little shaky too. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How does it look? Are y'all enjoying y'all phones if y'all have it? I know a lot of people are. But if you don't put the tree bark in the video, or you're doing any video comparisons really. I think I said that in the 4K one too. Tree bark for the win, y'all. But look, just walking around the woods now. There's a car. It's been kind of dry in Texas though, even though it rained. What y'all think about the colors on the leaves? Man, this actually looks pretty good, y'all. Like my boy Android Stud would say, 8K goodness. I think it actually looks really good. Watch out for a snake or something. Look, check underneath the. Can you see? Let's zoom in. That's 6x zoom. There's a tree there. But what y'all think? Back at 1x zoom. Actually, this looks really crispy, bro. Isn't that the word the kids say these days? Crispy. But y'all let me know. I like doing these videos just so y'all can see what y'all get from these cameras before y'all even pick up the phone. If y'all want to see other videos from me, check out the playlist I have. I've been doing videos on the Z Fold4. Been making a lot of different videos. But if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Z Fold4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out.